Children, I use number and shapes for bird drawing. First, draw tree like this. Draw circle like this. Draw one more circle below the first circle. It's look like number 8. Draw one slipping line between the both circle like this. Then give feather shape like this. Draw some curve. Draw eyes and beak like this. 2 circles for eyes, 1 triangle for beak, and 2 small triangles for hair. Draw one more circle and joint one more circle. Look like 8. Again we draw one more bird. Triangle for beak, circle for eyes, and bird sitting on the tree. One bird is ready to fly and one bird is sitting quietly on the tree. 1 and 2. Extend number 1 and draw one semicircle like this. Draw beak, headgear and bird feather. It's woodcutter. Draw cloud shape for bushes like this. Draw outline with black sketch pen or marker pen. Start coloring on bird. Yellow color in bird, baby birds, and brown color in woodcutter. Red beak, fill little bit yellow ochre color on tree trunk. Then use brown color all over the tree trunk like this. Fill dark green color on bushes. Then fill light green color on all over the dark green color. Fill dark green color in leaf, then take light blue color and fill it in the slipping manner like this. Bird composition is ready.